Welcome back to Jacobication. This video is about bitwise operators. Intro: operators in programming that work on numbers at the binary level. List: bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT. I won't cover shifting operators here because they vary depending on the language. Bitwise AND, you have 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Two numbers bitwise ANDed together only form a 1 if they are both 1, and that only happens in one slot, so it becomes in decimal 2 or in binary 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Bitwise OR, two numbers ORed together only form a 0 if they are both 0, so that happens nowhere if you bitwise OR these two numbers together, so it's just all 1s. Bitwise XOR, two numbers bitwise XORed together form a 0 if they're both the same, i.e. they're both 1 or both 0. So that number came out to be 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Bitwise NOT, a number bitwise knotted flips all the 1s to 0s and 0s to 1. So 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 came out to be 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. Next video. There is none in this series. It's the end of the intro series. Ciao.